smell the nature. It's very amazing. Hey guys, today's vlog, I'm gonna take you to Clifford Lee Sanctuary where you can feel nature and the wildlife. So, enjoy watching, guys. Careful, anak. Wow, beautiful nature. Only ducks. Clifford Lee Nature Sanctuary, located 33 kilometers southwest of Edmonton City Center. The Clifford Lee Nature Sanctuary protects 348 acres of marshland, open meadow, aspen, parkland, and pine forest. The varied habitats of the sanctuary attract a diversity of animals, including more than 100 bird species, and provide excellent opportunities for wildlife viewing. The boardwalk and connected upland trails are easily navigated in summer by all skill levels, but they are not considered wheelchair accessible.
You gotta get like a big one. Big scoop, a big scoop. Get in there, big scoop. Yeah, there we go. And then put it right down. Get real close. Yeah, right there. See? Just like that. Bag of seed for the birds and the critters. Birds and the critters.
Hala, Dad, look at the... Oh my God, don't do that. Guys, it's me again, Jonabel. Welcome back to my channel. So we're here at Clifford Lee Sanctuary actually. So I'm gonna show you around. So this area is nice if you want to have like a peaceful afternoon. Go for a walk with your family. So yeah, it is a nice spot for what, honey? For come on.
Just have a good view, you know. Just enjoy the nature. Here.
Ayan siya.
Okay. Careful.
But the water.
Put some more right here.
But the water is so high, Dad. Ayan. Basically, guys, we just spend our time here watching the wildlife. So we're hoping to see some birds, but unfortunately, we never seen one. But we've seen a lot of ducks swimming in this lake, and it was awesome. Samantha was enjoying it a lot. Usually, guys, if we don't have nothing to do, we just come visit here and feel the nature and just hang out here and feel the breeze of the air and basically watching the wildlife. So guys, we're gonna head to the other viewpoint of the lake. So yeah, we're heading there right now. So guys, if you live here around Edmonton, if you want to check this out, Clifford Lee Sanctuary, this is perfect place for you if you want some, peace of mind, a quiet place. For me, this is the perfect place for you to go and come visit and experience the nature and wildlife. So we brought some bird seed with us, and Samantha is having fun throwing some bird seed in this little guy here at the lake.
Are you having fun? You make the food? Oh, come on, little Puti. Come on, little guys. Hello. Oh, guys, did you want to play together? Enjoy the food.
Guys, dito kami ngayon. Ayan si Samantha. O, pinapakain niya yung mga ibong lumilipad.
Lumilipad.
Okay.
Bye, buddy. I hope you have a good swimming and a good meal.
Okay, guys, we're going home now because Samantha is done feeding the birds. I mean the ducks. Actually, we never seen one bird, just ducks. So, yeah. And after this one, we're gonna go for ice cream. So, punta kami sa downtown. Mag-ice cream muna kami. Nag-offer kasi si daddy na mag-ice cream daw. So, ice cream muna. Medyo ano siya, tahimik na siya dito. Wala nang masyadong tao. What's that sound, Dad? Parang nakikita ko na yung mga yellow leaves. Parang ano na siya, fall. Fall na ata. Guys, yung little walk namin afternoon. Pauwi na kami and I think we're gonna get some ice cream. Masarap ang ice cream sa Yellowed. Asan na ba yung dalawa? Guys! Let's go! Tagal nila. I'm here! We're gonna get some Peter's Drive-In. So this burger junction is very.
You want to order at the desk? Where does it? Get it through here and then go sit down.
So ayan siya, guys. Usually itong Peter's Drive-In na ito is they have a big lineup, but it's so surprising it's not that busy. Are you excited to get your Peter's burger, honey? Are you excited to have some burger, honey? And ice cream?
I only want ice cream.
You want only ice cream?
Just ketchup on the hot dog.
Okay.
But on the burgers, you put everything on it, whatever you have, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And then we'll grab a poutine.
Okay.
And then I'll have to get a watermelon milkshake.
Yes.
Chocolate
and
sundae.
A chocolate sundae.
Okay.
Yeah, and that should be all.
So I have 2 singles, 1 hot dog with just ketchup, 1 poutine, 1 watermelon milkshake, and 1 chocolate sundae.
Yeah, you bet.
Alright, may I have a name for the order?
Mark.
Mark?
Yeah.
This comes to your first window.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Ayan na yung burger namin sa Peter's Drive-In. So excited ako. First time namin dito sa Peter's Drive-In
Oh, here?
This is our first time, right?
My second, but
In here? In
Yeah,
in
me.
Edmonton?
me and Kevin came here the one day we had to come to the
okay.
city.
So second time na pala niya.
Uh-oh.
Something's going on. So here, so We're gonna sit down over right there, and then we're gonna have some this one. So let's go, guys. Hey guys, congratulations if you reached this far on my vlog. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I do hope you like this vlog, guys, and you've learned something that we need to spend quality time with our family. And always remember, guys, never give up on the things that make you smile and happy. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video. Bye.
Those cheese curds.
Burger is really good. Samantha have some hot dog but no ketchup. She likes it. And we have some Puti.
Burger's alright.
Really good. Napkin. Before, sa Calgary lang merong Eater's Drive-In. But they opened one here in Edmonton. When was that?
Just recently, yeah.
This year, actually. Yum.
It's really good, Mommy.
You like it?
Yeah. I like it so much.
Glad that you like it, Anna.
I like it so much. Please click the button and subscribe to my